Hello and welcome to another adventure. You join me and my mate Alex, who's a 400-metre Olympic medalist. We're going to be building a really simple shelter, having an absolute feast. The weather looks pretty good. There's a little bit of rain overnight, but we need to find a spot first to set this up and have a great time out in these woods.
We got straight to it, and it was great to be out. This adventure was something new for Alex, so I promised to teach him a few things along the way. From knowing which trees are best to start fires, down to the small things. Because no matter the size, everything in nature plays an important role. We were taking it all in, and everything slows down a little bit when you start thinking about where you're going to sleep. We just had to find somewhere nice and flat.
This will probably be flat enough. I'll clear some of the ground out and then we'll stick the tarp up and see how it goes. A frying pan with cooking stuff in it. New tarp. Saw. The old tarp, which I'm going to use as a ground sheet for us. Sleeping bag. First aid kit. Knife to start the fire. Cooking knife. Sleeping pad. Jacket. Head torch. All my electricals. Drone. Eggshell mat. A kilogram of diced beef. Some onion and carrot. Alex also has some potatoes. We're going to chuck all these in and cook these for a nice long time and have a good dinner. Well, that's everything that's in the bag, so now it's time to get this shelter set up. The first thing I'm going to do, as usual, is just test out the floor to see if it is flat. It's always good to check on your sides and your back. There's a big hole here, so I just need to do that. Do you want to test out your side and then just see how it feels? If there's a big hole somewhere, you can just fix it. You just need one guy rope and then 3 pegs. The one guy rope is going to go up to this tree. You almost do it like a diamond shape. I'm going to show you guys how to do a knot to tie it to the tree. We're going to go over, and then we go under. And you see that hole that I've just made? We then go back through that, and that's it. So that gives you a knot that you can move. All right, for those of you who weren't paying attention, we're going to do this again. So you've got your loops like that. So you go over, and then we're going to go under it. And you see this hole here? It then goes through there like that. So it's over and through, and then you just pull it like that. And then it can slide either way you need it to slide. Like
that was for the viewers, that was for you viewers, not for me. I wasn't distracted by cookie dough.
So on this side, we've just got one that clips straight on. So that's going to be the high point of our shelter here. Your first peg goes in here, and then the other 2 pegs are going to go in at the other side. All right, we'll move the dirt around a little bit, and we'll bring you guys back once we've really figured this one out.
We got it sorted, stuck up the Christmas lights, and used sticks to peg down the ground sheet so it didn't move overnight.
Do a little test out?
It was pretty comfy, but it was about time to go and get some firewood.
3, 2, 1. You order an oak tree?
We cracked on with our own jobs. I sawed while Alex split the wood. Doing what you enjoy makes the work feel lighter, and it keeps the day fun for both of us.
This is a good job split.
You prefer that job, eh?
Yeah, I'm enjoying this.
Come on. I have a few solid bits to begin with, and then I might chuck in some more flammable ones at the bottom. So just some of those to make a bit of a ground. So we kind of do that a bit. So you kind of put big stuff at the bottom, and then middle stuff in the middle, and then if it starts here and it falls down itself. It's just quite a fun way of doing it, really, because that's got all the fat wood in it. That's going to really light well.
Is that what you call it, fat wood?
Yeah, so this orange bit's all the oil and resin. Could try and make some thin shavings of this one.
That was sick.
We should be good this time.
The fire grew quickly thanks to the prep work we'd done, and before long it was time to start on the food.
I've got a special knife with me today. This one here looks lovely. Alex has been very good, and he's made a beautiful chopping board which we're going to use to chop some of this up on.
I got started with the onion, tossing the waste into the fire to hear it crackle. Then came the tatties.
Taters!
Potatoes.
Chop them, boil them, put them in a stew.
Boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew.
Next up, carrots. The beef went in after, along with a handful of herbs, rosemary, thyme and sage. Simple steps, but each one adds to the rhythm of cooking out here.
So now we just add some water to the whole thing. So we're going to bring some of the coals over here, try and put the pot in there. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, okay.
The pot rested safely in the fire as I built a bushcraft seat to lift myself off the cold floor. Time slipped by as we watched the flames dance, the smell of our dinner filling the air.
Alex has fully immersed himself into the bushcraft and has been cooking potato on a rock, which is absolutely excellent to see.
With the Christmas lights looking good on the shelter, it was time to add some water to the pot to stop it from burning.
Oh, not the fire, the pot, bro. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, they're just in the pot,
Yeah, Steve.
There we go, right, that'll do it. Time has come to try and get this pot off. I've made a couple of hook sticks to try and get this off.
Wow. Nice.
And that is how we get a pot off. Let's get that off. Does smell quite good, actually.
Days, yes. Oh, look at that. The bits close to the edges have obviously like singed.
We'll go with caramelised, shall we?
Caramelized.
I mean, look at that with the steam coming off. Oh, potatoes sizzling away. Oh, yeah. How is it with the gravy?
Banging.
The potatoes have like disintegrated a bit, but it's so nice.
Let's have some.
Yeah.
We ate and talked, reflecting on the value of stepping into the unknown. Being thrown into nature has a humbling effect. Both of us have turned to it before competitions, as a way to quiet the mind.
What was it like getting that Olympic medal?
The Olympics was crazy, man. It was so intense. It's like you step into another universe for like a week, and then it's just done. There was a huge build-up. You've been thinking about it for years, and then you get there and it's happening, and you're so present. But then it's just over. You do get to like keep the moment and say like, oh, no matter what happens, I'm an Olympic medalist. But it's just crazy how you've played it up so much in your head, and you just realize, wow, like anyone can experience what it's like to win an Olympic medal by just like imagining it.
I'll do that then, because I ain't got hope.
Bro, you will feel all the same joy. Cool when you realize like I made that real,
Yeah.
but it's not like, oh, I felt
It's not
something
that, yeah.
additional. So my thing is like, now I want to share it. Like, how can I allow other people to have the opportunity to feel that? How do I? So that's why I've been doing my videos a lot more, just to kind of like share the feeling and the sensation. It's magical. I wanted to start doing some long form content. Haven't started yet, but well,
New Year's resolution?
New Year's resolution.
And with that, it was time for some dessert. Cookie dough in a mini cast iron frying pan. Didn't quite work as planned, but it was still delicious. We then stoked up the fire as the temperature dropped before heading in for the night.
Toasty.
You did it.
It's sick, isn't it?
Oh, so good.
The little Christmas lights.
You do this every weekend.
Try to.
That's so good.
I like challenging myself to try and... If one thing's going to be hard, the food's going to be good.
Yeah.
In this video, you can see up here where I ate some bugs. We can maybe do that in the morning if you want.
Yeah, woodland pancakes.
Yes. We're going to get some sleep. We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Nice.
The morning mist lay thick, quiet and still, much like Alex and I. It kept the morning light at bay, but far above, through the clouds, the sun had already risen, heralding a new day.
Well, good morning. Alex is still sleeping a bit, so I've come out to get some wood. I'm going to take some of the knots off of here for some nice fat wood to see if I can get the fire started again this morning. The plan was to have some pancakes, but we used all the water last night, but we have something a little bit special in store instead. Some really good fat wood again. I'll take a couple of these and use that to get the fire started. Lovely. Two lovely pieces of fat wood there. Oh, it smells lovely. Right, I'm gonna go down, try and get this fire started. I hope you guys can make this out, but it's really foggy this morning and it looks proper cool. Gone really silent here as well. There's still quite a lot of heat coming from there.
I'm blowing on the log to see if any of the embers are still alive. Adding a bit of oxygen brings them back to life, making them glow and burn again.
Oh, I think there could be. There is. Yeah, come and have a look at this. So you can sort of see here, there's a few embers. Might have enough to get the fire going straight away again. Place the wood here. I'm going to quickly try and get some of this fat wood on it to try and keep it going a bit better. I do like it when a fire comes together after the night before without too much work. The oak that was on it is really dry, so we can just put that straight back on. Right, I'm going to nip off and get a few more bits of pine, chuck on top, and we'll have a roaring fire in no time. Useful little frying pan, this one. I'm also going to try and fix my seat. It looks like it crumbled a bit at night.
The first part of this little project was to remove the sticks that were in the wrong place, then find some new ones. I had to saw a couple, but that wasn't too much hard work. Once I'd gotten the right amount, I started putting them on top of the seat again, making sure it was nice and level, and pegging it down with some other sticks.
Oh, there we go. For breakfast this morning, I got some orange juice and Merry Christmas. Although this is obviously the weekend after Christmas. Well, I'm filming the weekend before Christmas. Merry Christmas anyway. Hope you had a good Christmas.
With no option of pancakes, I've come over to this dead pine tree to get breakfast. And hopefully, underneath some of this bark are going to be some wood lice. I think Alex is well looking forward to these.
Oh, would you look at that? It was an absolute feast. Alex, you're going to be in for a good breakfast, mate. For these, the bigger, the better.
I've hit the jackpot on this one.
Oh yeah, look at all those in there.
Oh, look at all of these. Loads of them. We've got a very healthy collection here. We'll go down, clean these out a bit, and then get them on the fire. Would you like to see your breakfast, Alex? There you go.
Oh my days. You do all of these?
Yeah.
Oh my days. Okay, that one looks wham. I found the alpha.
I tried to put some big ones in there for us as well.
Yeah, he looks
But-
like he's been through the battles.
We'll be.
Crazy.
Just because this is Alex's first time, we're going to butter the pan up first. Alright, here we go. Let's get them on. Stick them over the pot on the fire.
Oh my days.
They pop like popcorn.
What? That's not normal. That is so strange.
Okay, don't take long. Steaming toasted wood lice.
Smells good, to be fair.
Help yourself.
Woo!
There's a nice big in there.
Oh wow. What? Where do I start? Okay. This is happening. Huh? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Good, right?
Did you put salt in it?
No. That was just the butter. Look at that. Seconds straight away. You know, if you were like at the bar and you had like a little bowl of peanuts or something, a little bowl of crisps, and you had another big bowl of these, you just have these. Some smoked sea salt for them, just for an extra little bit of flavour. I think doing them in a bit of butter has probably done a world of difference.
Yeah.
They have a nice flavour.
It's very conflicting.
Right. A really airy crisp. That's probably the best way I can describe it.
Scared they're just gonna like wake up.
It's unexpectedly not bad. Like, you almost feel like they'd taste horrible, but if you were genuinely in a survival situation, you would be.
Easy.
I don't know what the calories are like, but you know what? It's probably a really healthy meal.
Low release protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals.
Right, we're going to polish the rest of these off, then we're going to tidy up, and then because I've shown Alex how to survive in the woods, he's going to show us a little bit of something he likes to do. Camp has been well and truly cleared up. Pretty happy with making it look like it's back to normal. So we're now going to head off, and now it's time for Alex to teach us a few things. Let's go! I realised we were hurt then.
That's so funny. Oh, there we go. That was a good bit of fun, wasn't it? A day in the life of a 400 metre Olympic medalist. I think I got him just at the end there though.
Felt more effective.
Anyway, that's it for another adventure. Thanks for sticking around and watching to the end. If you enjoyed it, drop it a like and feel free to subscribe. It really helps this new channel out.
If you haven't already, check out some of the other videos on my channel, like this one, where I camped in a quarry and got tracked by an ex-army survivalist. Anyway, until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wild.